Our kids this year have heard the word safe, be safe, be safe, be safe, a lot, haven't they? The more we respond with things like imminent fear, it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So it's like saying to kids, be careful, be careful, be careful. Every time you say be careful, be safe, you actually plant imminent fear or danger into the brain. So with adolescents, we want to make sure we say to them, hey, listen, watch out for things that could happen so that you have a good experience. Get them thinking about being safe and all that kind of stuff and being careful. But with our younger kids, we want to say be careful, but whatever you do, don't overuse it. Every time you say be careful to your kid, the brain starts to go, there's imminent danger.